Do you ever observe how some wealthy people spend their money and think, if I had that kind of wealth, I'd be more careful with it? Yet as we grow older or our financial situations improve, we might make choices that our younger, less wealthy versions would have criticized. It's as though with time, the financial wisdom we once held loses its relevance, or we simply forget or underestimate its significance. However, it's essential to remember that acquiring financial wisdom is never too late. Whether you've recently transitioned to a better paying job, started earning more, or have specific financial goals you want to achieve, now is the perfect time to enhance your financial knowledge. Contrary to popular belief, financial intelligence isn't reserved solely for business moguls and accountants. Everyone should be financially savvy because money plays a significant role. Money remains fundamental, whether we desire a modest or extravagant lifestyle or capital for business pursuits. So what does it mean to be financially intelligent? Financial intelligence means understanding money, its functions, and the best strategies for its use. It involves understanding one's finances and some basic accounting concepts. In reality, however, financial intelligence holds different meanings for different individuals. For some, it's about investing wisely and amassing wealth. For others, it's about saving prudently for a peaceful retirement. Whatever your definition of financial success is, there are universal principles to guide you towards it. These principles include: number 1, identify your money stressors. To develop good financial habits, you must clearly understand your current monetary situation. However, gaining this clarity can be challenging, especially when financial anxieties weigh you down. Unfortunately, a significant portion of the American population grapples with such worries. A recent Global Financial Literacy Excellence Center study reported that 60% of individuals felt anxious when thinking about their finances, while 50% felt stressed discussing them. When faced with financial stress, your first step should be to identify the source of your worries. Everyone's financial challenges differ. Some may be struggling with debt, others with unchecked spending habits, or perhaps lack budgeting skills. Identifying these specific problems is crucial because only by truly understanding a problem can you hope to resolve it. Should the financial pressures persist, don't hesitate to seek advice. This guidance could come from your bank's representative, a certified credit counselor, or a trusted financial advisor. An outsider's perspective sheds light on issues or opportunities you might have previously overlooked. Moreover, discussing these pressures with an expert provides potential solutions and alleviates some of your stress. Remember, managing finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. By actively confronting your financial issues, you pave the way towards achieving your financial aspirations. Number 2, increase your financial knowledge. To enhance your financial intelligence, you must boost your budgeting, investing, saving, and debt management knowledge. Thankfully, numerous online and offline resources can help you achieve this in our modern age, from books and magazines to blogs and courses. A great starting point is to immerse yourself in books specifically written to enhance understanding in this area. Set aside ample time daily to read and learn about financial intelligence, as it will improve your knowledge of money management. If you're uncertain about where to begin, 2 particularly well-regarded books on this topic are Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki and The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Magazines such as Forbes and The Economist are also excellent sources of financial wisdom and insights. However, if you lead a hectic life with a hectic schedule or don't enjoy reading, alternatives like audiobooks and finance-related podcasts offer flexible yet informative solutions. You can also enroll in financial literacy courses. Many financial experts have curated courses to teach vital skills from budgeting and saving to investing. With countless online and offline courses, it's prudent to research and select ones that align with your goals. Engaging in such structured learning can significantly improve your financial intelligence. Number 3, manage your debt. Debt can significantly hinder your financial growth, so it's essential to address it. Whether credit cards, student loans, car payments, or a combination, you need to know what you owe and to whom. You should clearly understand each debt, including its amount and interest rate. Once you clearly understand your debt situation, you need to create a suitable repayment plan. One way is through the avalanche debt repayment method. In this approach, you start by paying the debt with the highest interest rate and at the same time making minimum required payments on your other debts. Any extra money you can spare should be directed towards the high interest debt to clear it faster. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, move to the next highest interest rate and repeat the process. This approach ensures that over time you pay the least amount of interest possible. With this approach, you'll end up paying less interest overall, plus there's a sense of achievement with every debt you clear, which can motivate and keep you on track. Beyond simply managing debt, it's also vital to understand the different types of debt. Not all debt is harmful. Some can be considered good debt. That's any debt incurred in an investment that may appreciate, generate long-term income, or was acquired at a low interest rate. For instance, a 30-year mortgage on a home can be viewed as good debt because the property might appreciate over the years. That's much different from having credit card debt, which often carries high interest rates and is used for items that lose value quickly or have a limited shelf life. Number 4. Mindful spending. Have you ever checked your bank account and been shocked by the low balance or hesitated to open a credit card statement, unsure of your expenses? Surprises like these aren't pleasant. However, there's a way to address this. Embrace mindful spending. Often, when people see an increase in their income or have extra money on hand, it's common for their spending to increase accordingly. This isn't entirely unexpected, as more money can introduce them to new desires or previously unattainable items. But as earnings rise, it's crucial to stay grounded in basic financial principles and avoid excessive spending on non-essential items. For instance, if you maintained a modest lifestyle on a $100,000 salary, there's no need to dramatically alter your spending habits even if your earnings increase to $500,000. It's always wise to spend only on what contributes to your well-being and happiness. Be deliberate with your expenses. Each time you're about to make a purchase, evaluate its significance. Will it add value to your life? Does the price align with its worth? Know when to spend and when to be frugal. For instance, sometimes opting for a pre-owned car might be a wiser choice than purchasing a brand new one. To curb impulsive spending, one strategy is to: Number 5. Prepare a budget and stick to it. While you deepen your knowledge through financial books and podcasts, it's also essential to pair that learning with actionable steps. This is where budgeting comes into play. By establishing a realistic budget and committing to it consistently, you are taking an active role in your financial well-being. Budgeting isn't just about restricting your spending. It's a tool that serves two primary purposes. First, it allows you to identify your essential expenses, ensuring you allocate appropriate funds to your basic needs without overspending. Secondly, a budget helps you monitor where your income goes. By consistently reviewing your budget, you can identify and rectify areas where you might be overspending or wasting money. This not only gives you clarity on your financial habits, but also ensures you maintain control over your finances. For effective budgeting, start by documenting your monthly income and expenses. This can be done using an Excel sheet, paper, or a budgeting app. Ensure your budget outlines all sources of income, fixed expenses, discretionary spending, and savings goals. Number 6. Build your credit and check your credit score. Maintaining a strong credit score can be financially beneficial in the long run, as it often leads to lower interest rates when borrowing money. Credit scores typically range from 280 to 850, with 850 being the best and 280 the lowest. Generally, scores between 700 and 749 are considered good, increasing your chances for favorable credit card and loan interest rates. Various factors determine your credit score. The three major credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, maintain and assess your historical credit data to generate this score. While each agency might have slight variations in the calculation, the general breakdown is 35% payment history, 30% amounts owed, 15% length of credit history, 10% types of credit used, and 10% new credit. You can obtain your credit score from any of these agencies for a small fee. Furthermore, whenever you apply for credit, your score should be provided. To get a comprehensive view of your credit, it's advisable to visit annualcreditreport.com and request your free annual credit report from each agency. This report details your credit activity, including current loans, credit amounts, and payment history. Additionally, it's wise to review this report annually to ensure accuracy and safeguard against potential threats like identity theft. Establishing and maintaining good credit can be rewarding. Beyond the monetary savings on interest, it provides peace of mind knowing you can secure credit when necessary. In conclusion, a strong financial IQ influences every decision you make about money, including how you earn, spend, save, and invest it. Good money management habits pave the way for achieving your financial objectives every stage of your life. Just like constructing a building takes time, so does understanding money. It's a gradual process, and you must consistently learn and adapt. By committing to learning about your finances and taking small steps to understand money, you'll be better equipped to make intelligent financial decisions. Dealing with finances can sometimes feel overwhelming or confusing. If you ever feel this way, don't hesitate to ask for assistance from a financial advisor. They usually have the latest financial knowledge, trends, and strategies, so they'll be able to guide you and help you adjust your financial plan as your goals and situation change. And with that, we have reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.